Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. Today, we're diving deep into Epidemic Sound, one of the most popular royalty-free music and sound effects platforms for content creators. If you've ever gotten a copyright strike, had a video demonetized, or watched helplessly as your upload got muted because of background music, this tool solves that problem completely. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your account, find the perfect tracks, add professional voiceovers, and publish worry-free. So, grab a coffee, and let's get started. Step 1. Create your free account. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to epidemicsound.com and click Sign Up. Creating an account is completely free, and it immediately gives you access to their full catalog, which includes over 55,000 music tracks and more than 250,000 sound effects. That's an enormous library, way more than you'll ever run out of content for. The great thing here is that you can browse, search, and preview absolutely everything before spending a single dollar. So take your time exploring the platform first. Get a feel for the interface, listen to a few tracks in different genres, and see what kind of music resonates with your channel's style. Just keep in mind that while browsing is free, you won't be able to actually download any tracks until you subscribe to a paid plan. Which brings us to our next step. Step 2. Choose the right subscription plan. Once your account is set up and you've had a chance to explore, it's time to pick a subscription plan. Epidemic Sound offers a few different tiers depending on your needs. If you're a solo creator just starting out, there's typically a more affordable option built for individuals. If you're running a growing channel or working with a team, there are plans with more features and licensing coverage. And if you're a larger business or agency, there's an enterprise-level solution as well. Here's a pro tip. Most plans come with a free trial period, so you can test out the full experience, including downloading and using tracks, before committing to a paid subscription. This is a great way to make sure the platform actually fits your workflow before you spend any money. To find the plan that's right for you, click on Plans in the navigation menu, compare what each tier includes, and choose based on how much content you're producing and how many channels you need to cover. Step 3. Safelist your channel. Now, this next step is absolutely crucial, so please don't skip it. It's called Safelisting, and it's what actually protects your content from copyright claims. Here's how it works. Safelisting connects your YouTube channel, or whichever platform you're publishing to, directly to your Epidemic Sound account. This tells YouTube's Content ID system that you have a valid, active license for any Epidemic Sound music used in your videos. Without Safelisting, even if you have a paid subscription, your videos could still get flagged, muted, or claimed by the system because YouTube doesn't automatically know you're licensed. To safelist your channel, go into your account settings and look for the Safelist or Connect Channel option. From there, just follow the prompts to link your YouTube channel or other supported platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. If you're a freelance editor or agency working on client projects, you can also safelist client channels directly from your account, which is incredibly convenient if you manage multiple channels at once. Step 4. Search and discover music. Alright, now for the fun part. Actually finding music for your videos. Epidemic Sound's search functionality is genuinely one of the best in the industry. Use the search bar at the top to look for tracks by mood, genre, instrument, or even specific keywords like upbeat, cinematic, chill, or corporate. Beyond the search bar, the platform also offers curated playlists built around specific themes and moods. Things like focus, travel vlog, or emotional storytelling. These playlists are great if you're not sure exactly what you're looking for, but know the general vibe you want. There are also filters on the side of the search results page that let you narrow things down by tempo, energy level, instruments, and even vocal versus instrumental tracks. This means you're not stuck scrolling endlessly through hundreds of songs trying to find the right one. You can get laser specific about what fits your video. Step 5. Try the AI-powered assistant. If you're still not quite sure what you're looking for, or you just want to speed things up, Epidemic Sound has a genuinely impressive AI-powered assistant built right into the platform. Instead of fumbling with filters and search terms, you can just describe what you want in plain, everyday language. For example, you could type something like epic, but emotional, or energetic with heavy drums, and the assistant will interpret your request and suggest tracks that match that specific feeling. What's really cool is that it doesn't just spit out results, it actually explains its reasoning. So, if you ask for something in a certain artist's style, it might respond with an explanation of exactly what mood and instrumentation it focused on. This transparency helps you understand the platform's logic, so the more you use it, the faster and more intuitive your searches become over time. Step 6. Create voiceovers with voices. Here's a feature a lot of creators don't realize is included. Voices by Epidemic Sound. This is their voiceover tool, and it's genuinely impressive because it isn't the robotic, flat text-to-speech you might be used to from other apps. Instead, Voices is built on real recordings from a roster of professional voice artists. So the AI narration keeps the natural tone, pacing, and emotional depth of an actual human performance. To use it, log into your account and select Voices from the navigation bar. This opens the Voices overview, where you can click on any voice to hear a preview and get a feel for that artist's accent and tone. If you want more background, click the information icon to read a short bio on the artist. Once you find a voice you like, click Select, which takes you to the Create Voiceover tab. From there, just type in your script, choose your language. Voices supports more than 70 languages, and adjust the pacing to match your video. In seconds, you'll have a broadcast quality voiceover ready to download. There's also a speech-to-speech option if you want even more control. Just toggle from text to speech, and you can record yourself reading a section of your script. The AI will use your recording as a reference for tone, intonation, and pauses, so the final voiceover matches your intended delivery, even in a different language. And if you'd rather use your own voice as the actual voice model, you can create a digital replica of yourself and reuse it across projects. If you ever edit your script afterward, you don't need to re-record anything, since the voiceover automatically updates to match the new wording. This is perfect for narration, podcasts, ad reads, or full video voiceovers, and it saves an enormous amount of time compared to hiring and scheduling a traditional voice actor. Step 7. Preview and download your music. Once you've found a music track that catches your ear, hover over it in the results list and click the play button to preview it. This is a great moment to actually play the track alongside a rough cut of your video, if you have one open, just to see how it feels against your visuals before committing. When you're happy with your choice, go ahead and click the download button. From there, you'll be able to choose your preferred file format for the download. And here's a feature that a lot of beginners don't know about. Epidemic Sound lets you download tracks in stems. That means instead of just getting one combined audio file, you get the individual layers separately: drums, bass, melody, vocals, and so on. This gives you way more control if you want to fade certain elements in or out, or build a custom mix that fits your video's pacing perfectly. Step 8. Don't forget the sound effects. Music and voiceovers aren't the only things Epidemic Sound offers. The platform also has a massive library of sound effects that can seriously elevate the production quality of your videos. We're talking whooshes, clicks, transitions, ambient background noise, and so much more. These small details are what separate amateur-feeling videos from polished, professional ones. You search for sound effects using the exact same process as searching for music. Just switch over to the SFX section of the site. Once you find what you need, download it the same way and drop it into your timeline wherever you need that extra bit of polish, like a transition between scenes or an emphasis on a key point in your video. Step 9. Use the plugin in your video editor. Here's a workflow tip that will save you a ton of time. If you're editing in DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Audition, or another major editing software, Epidemic Sound offers plugins that integrate directly into your editor. This means you can search, preview, and drag music, sound effects, and even voiceovers straight into your timeline without ever leaving your editing software or switching back and forth between browser tabs. It streamlines the entire process and keeps you in your creative flow. Step 10. Publish and monetize with confidence. Once your music, sound effects, and voiceovers are properly downloaded, your subscription is active, and your channel is safe-listed, you are completely free to publish and monetize your content anywhere in the world without worrying about copyright strikes or claims. And here's honestly one of the best parts of using Epidemic Sound. As long as your subscription was active at the time you used a particular track, that content stays cleared forever, even if you decide to cancel your subscription down the road. So, any past videos you've already published remain protected, which gives you a lot of peace of mind as your channel grows. Wrapping up, and that's everything you need to know to get started with Epidemic Sound. From creating your account and choosing a plan, to safe listing your channel, finding the perfect tracks, adding professional voiceovers, and publishing worry-free, you're now fully equipped to soundtrack your content like a pro. If this tutorial helped you out, do us a favor and smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.